Hello students, today we all of discuss on the remaining topics human health and disease. In the previous session we all of know about the infectious diseases. We detailed learns about the common cold, typhoid, etc. Today we will discuss on the some protozoan diseases, fungal diseases and helminthic diseases. So protozoan diseases, protozoan diseases. Protozoan diseases. Protozoan, the pathogens which causes various diseases in human beings. The disease number 1, malaria. And amoebic dysentery. The first is the malaria. You will have generally listened this disease, malaria. So, what is the malaria? It is the infectious disease. Malaria is the infectious disease. It is caused by the protozoan of various species. That is Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium and Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum. The Plasmodium falciparum species, the very fatal for the human being. It causes fatal malaria. It is the fatal species of Plasmodium falciparum. Vector of Plasmodium. Vector. What is vector? The organism which carry pathogen from one person to another person or from anywhere to the persons is known as vectors. Vectors क्या होते हैं? Vectors वे जीव होते हैं जो पैथोजेंस को, डिसीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ट्रांसफर करते हैं या कैरी करते हैं, ले जाते हैं उसको, इसलिए इसको कैरियर भी कहते हैं. तो वेक्टर ऑफ मलेरिया पैथोजन, मलेरिया का जो पैथोजन है उसको कौन ट्रांसफर करता है, कौन कैरी करता है, कौन ले जाता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर, वो है मॉस्किटो। कौन सा मॉस्किटो है? फीमेल एनाफ्लीज। फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो। Female Anopheles mosquito is the vector of malaria pathogen. तो मॉस्किटो मलेरिया किससे होता है? मलेरिया का पैथोजन क्या है? प्लाज्मोडियम। इस प्लाज्मोडियम को कैरी कौन करता है, ट्रांसफर कौन करता है? मॉस्किटो। कौन सा मॉस्किटो है? फीमेल एनाफ्लीज मॉस्किटो। ओके। लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम। लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम। प्लाज्मोडियम की लाइफ साइकिल कैसे कंप्लीट होती है? द प्लाज्मोडियम इज द डाइजेनेटिक पैरासाइट्स। कैसा पैरासाइट्स है? डाइजेनेटिक पैरासाइट्स। प्लाज्मोडियम इज द डाइजेनेटिक पैरासाइट्स, मीन्स ये अपनी लाइफ साइकिल को 2 होस्ट में कंप्लीट करता है। अपनी लाइफ साइकिल को 2 होस्ट में कंप्लीट करता है। 2 होस्ट कौन कौन से हैं वो? एक होस्ट है मैमल्स और मैन भी कह सकते हैं, एंड सेकेंड होस्ट कौन है? मॉस्किटो। तो अपनी लाइफ का कुछ पार्ट्स मैन में कंप्लीट करता है और कुछ पार्ट्स मॉस्किटो में। इस तरीके से उसकी लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट होती है। तो प्लाज्मोडियम इज द डाइजेनेटिक पैरासाइट्स। ओके। How it complete their life cycle? First of all, when any mosquitoes bite to humans, its saliva enters the human body. Its saliva enters the human body. The saliva of mosquito composed of plasmodium. When the plasmodium enters in the human body, then it reaches to the liver. In liver, it increases their numbers by the process of multiplication. Multiplication process के थ्रू अपने numbers को increase करता है. Okay. After this, when its numbers is increased, it releases the cells of liver burst and it enters in the blood. Enters in the blood and destroy the RBC. उसके बाद RBC को destroy करता है, उसको भ्रष्ट करता है. Due to the bursting of RBC, harmful chemicals are formed known as hemojoin. Hemojoin. It causes shivering and high fever in the human bodies. due to the forming of toxic chemical hemoglobin, shivering and high temperatures chills in the human bodies. In bloods, it increase in numbers and gametogenesis takes place. Gametes are forms. Male gamete, female gametes are formed in the human blood, and by chance, when the female mosquitoes bite to infected person, then these gametes are entered in the female anaphylis bodies, whereas stomach wall, the fusion of gamete takes place and zygote is formed, and increase their numbers and form numbers of sporozoites, and these sporozoites passes into the salivary gland where it stores. तो asexual reproduction किसमें कंप्लीट होता है? Asexual reproduction takes place in the human body and the sexual reproduction प्लाज्मोडियम का कंप्लीट होता है मॉस्किटो की बॉडी में. तो इस तरीके से वो अपनी लाइफ साइकिल को कंप्लीट करता है, मैंस और मॉस्किटो. इसका रेमेडी क्या है, उपचार क्या है? वेरी फैमिलियर मेडिसिन क्लोरोक्विन. The medicine which are used for the treating of malaria. It obtained from the bark of cinchona tree. इसको हम कहां से प्राप्त करते हैं? बार्क ऑफ सिंकोना ट्री. सिंकोना पेड़ की छाल से इस केमिकल को ऑब्टेन करते हैं और इस मेडिसिन को बनाते हैं. प्रिवेंशन कैसे हम रोक सकते हैं? बाय यूजिंग ऑफ natives in the rural areas. Malaria is various types based on the infection periods, generally tertiary, quaternary, regular. Tertiary, the infection occurs 48 hour, 72 hour, and regular. The repeating of bursting of RBCs in human body generally, various species depend on Plasmodium. After 48 hour, 72 hour or regular, मतलब per day. When the person infected to the various species. Next, amoebic dysentery. It is the infectious disease. It is caused by the pathogen related to the protozoans and amoeba histolytica. And amoeba histolytica. It is the species of amoeba which causes amoebic dysentery or amoebiasis. Symptoms: stomach pain, cramping, stool with blood, mucus, blood clots, What are the therapeutic of the amoebic dysentery? Generally used to antibiotics. Next, fungal disease. Fungal disease it is caused by the various species of fungus. Generally we study the fungal disease, the ringworm. Ringworm. It is the very common disease in human beings. The pathogens of this disease is Microsporum, Trichophyton, Epidermophyton, etc. These are the pathogens of the ringworms. Symptoms of ringworm, that is lesion, scaly lesions, the skin, nails, the various parts of a skull and other parts of the bodies. Treatment: antifungal. Antifungal medicines are used for the treating of this disease. Transmission of this disease by the soil, by the infected person to the normal person. Next, helminthic disease. Helminthic disease, various parasites are present in our atmospheres. They generally infect our bodies. Some are, that is, ascariasis and teniasis. Ascariasis, it is caused by the pathogen Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris it enters in the human body by the contaminated foods, by the soil, by the vegetables. It infects the alimentary canal. It inhibits in the alimentary canal and damage to the parts of digestive system. It blocks the passage of digestive system. Various harmful effects, that is anemia, headache, stomach pain, are the various symptoms of this disease. Teniasis, it is caused by the parasite Taenia solium. tinea solium. The tinea solium enters in human body by the taking of measly pork. When it enters the human bodies, it attaches to the surface of alimentary canal and disturb the digestive systems. Symptoms: stomach pain, headache, cramping, anemia, fever, etc. These are the various diseases which are studied or discussed today. That is malaria, amoebiasis, ringworm, teniasis, and ascariasis. The one next disease is by the filariasis. Filariasis or elephantitis. This disease is caused by the Wuchereria bancrofti helminth. It generally affects the lower limbs where they incubated lymph vessels. They block the lymph vessels and accumulation of blood in the lymph vessels. Symptoms: pain in the lower limbs, swelling, etc. It transfer or from one person to another person by the carrier Culex mosquito. Culex मॉस्किटो के थ्रू जो उचेरिया है वो एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन में ट्रांसफर होता है. ओके.